Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio's Android Emulator. Okay, but before we get started, you're just going to need to check that your operating system is capable of dealing with this software. Okay, so I'll just give you a quick run through of what you're going to need. Simply click on your Start button and head over to your control panel. If you go to System and Security and then go down to System, just need to check what operating system you're using, because the Visual Studio's Android Emulator will only work on Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 Enterprise. It won't work on Windows 10 Home Edition. Okay, so you may find you need to upgrade. Okay, and you're going to need a bit of RAM and just check your system type. Okay, so at the moment we're working with Windows 10 Enterprise. Now the reason for this is, I'll give you a quick look. We need to be able to run HyperV. Okay, so we'll just go back to the control panel and go to Programs, and you'll be able to check if you've got HyperV as well. So you just want to go to Programs and Features and turn on and off Windows features. Now as you can see here, it gives us all the features that come with our operating system, and as you can see here, HyperV. Okay, if I expand that, you can see it's got management tools and platforms and so on and so forth. Now this is what Visual Studio's Android Emulator needs to be able to work. Okay, so once you've got those figured out, and you should be right to head over to your search engine, just type in Visual Studio Android Emulator. Okay, and just simply click on that, and here you'll find download the emulator. Simply click on the download and click run. This will take a couple of minutes to download, install and set up, and I'll show you exactly how it's working. Okay, the download's just about done. We can be able to exit out of the internet, and we'll get a pop-up screen, as you can see, and tells you what size the files are going to be and what size you're going to need, and just simply click install. Computer just asks if you're granted access. Simply click yes. Now this will take a few minutes to set everything up, and we'll be able to take it from there. Okay, now the setup's complete, we can simply close out and head over to your Start and scroll down, and you will find it down under V for Visual Studio Android Emulator. Click on that and it's going to start to boot up. Okay, as you can see, these are the different types of emulators you'll be able to use. Lots of mobiles and tablets. So if you wanted to see one in action, you just simply click the launch button. We're going to launch the Samsung Galaxy S5 phone. This will take a second to boot up. And what it does, it runs on your computer as a real phone. So you'll be able to build applications and then run them and see exactly how they're going to look and work on the emulator. Okay, as you can see, it's loading up. I'll give you a quick run through in a sec. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to build some applications on Visual Studio, and I'll be able to run them through the Android emulator, and you'll be able to see how they work. Okay, so I'll be building a couple of different types of apps. I'm going to use a website one, and it's going to be what's called a web app. So it will pretty much just be something similar to an application like Facebook, where you're able to click on it and it opens up the website. Okay, so we'll build one of them and a few other different types. So as you can see, it opens up and it works exactly like a mobile device. Okay, you can see all your different types of things, and you can scroll through, so on and so forth. So I hope that helps you out, guys, downloading and installing Visual Studio's emulator for Android, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll start creating some apps. So thanks for watching, guys.